guys, welcome back to my channel. So today nasa KFC tayo kasi it's Sunday and kasama ko si Pakundo. So wait lang kami ng order namin. Gusto ko nang maupo sa upuan pero ayaw niya. So ayan na yung order natin. So nandito ako umupo sa may pinto kasi mainit. So, nag-order kami ng mixed chicken.
Chicken wings.
For my vlog. So, nandito kami sa KFC. So, buti na pitita. Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain sa KFC. I still have iced tea. How's your food, Bibire?
Perfect.
Perfecto. Tagal din kami hindi kumain sa KFC. So, today is voting ano nang tawag dyan? Botohan ng ngayon ng bagong president nila ba? So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Actually, hindi ito malayo sa amin. Update ko lang kayo mamaya. So, hintay tayo ng bus. The weather today, it's so nice. Hindi ka malamig. Malamig siya pag walang sun. Pero, pag dito, you can sit in dancing there. Yung bus nila may ayan, kung saan ka bababa, ayan. Tapos dito ka pipindot. So ito yung stop. Ikaw lang tao kasi Sunday. So ha? Na hindi having kind bus. Ayan. Tsaka gusto ko dito umupo kasi malapad. Ayan. Tsaka magandang panahon sa labas. Tingnan niyo. So guys, so we're home na. So yun, napabiglang vlog lang ako because I just want to record and I just remembered na I need to push myself into vlogging na kasi sayang din naman kasi yung YouTube ko and it's been a long time na napababayaan ko siya and I always tell myself that I'm going to vlog but I hope this year 2025 I need to push myself na mag-vlog. It's not because of fame, but of course monetary, hindi naman ako magpapaka-plastic. So sayang kasi yung YouTube ko because it's earning, but it's earning not so much. So sa mga nanonood tsaka nakasubaybay sa akin way back before because I started my vlog so long ago. I think 2018 or 19, something like that. But I started vlogging 2018, yeah, I still remember. So I hope this time I can vlog more and I need to push myself and promise to myself na magpa-vlog ako ng magpa-vlog. So thank you so much. Nandito lang ako sa bahay. Mamaya aalis ako kasi I am invited. So, makikikain tayo ng Filipino food. So, and today was sunny. Napakaganda ng panahon and it was a great na lumabas kami ng aking jowa. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you can subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope to see you soon on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye!